my channel. My name is Akshita and in today's video I'm going to share my eyelash secret. Yes, you can naturally grow your eyelashes really well. For this, you don't need any surgery or any artificial treatment. You can just do it by using one simple step. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you one product which is castor oil. Yes, I use castor oil on my lashes every night.
So this is what the product looks like. You can use any brand's castor oil, but this is the one that is easily available at any medical store. Also, this comes in the packaging of two, like so, a bigger one and a smaller one, so you can easily purchase according to your need. You need one of these things, either a empty mascara tube or a normal spoolie brush. You can choose any one accordingly. So here I am using a spoolie brush. So what you need to do is just dip the brush in the castor oil, wipe off the excess and apply it all over your lashes just like you apply a normal mascara. Just wiggle it up on all your lashes. Make sure you apply a generous coat on both your upper lashes as well as bottom lashes. Don't forget to apply it on your lash line as I would also recommend you to do a patch test somewhere on your skin before you apply it on your lashes, just in case you're allergic to the oil. Alternatively, if you choose an empty mascara tube, that is even more simple. You just need to refill the bottle using the oil and apply it every night just like you do a mascara. Once you've applied the oil on all your lashes, what you need to do is take your thumb and a finger and just wiggle it up in between so that the oil spreads equally on all your lashes. You need to massage your lashes like so for about a minute, and that's about it. This is what you need to do every night for at least 15 to 20 days for some good results.
So first thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to apply it every day. I know there are days when you might feel lazy, but trust me, this is one step you have to do if you really want to see results. I would suggest you do this last thing before you go to your bed, which means that you don't use your phone after applying this oil on your lashes. The reason behind this is that once you apply lashes, you have to close your eyes, and if you won't do that, the oil will apply all over to the lid and it will do no use. So that is the reason.
So this is what my lashes look like after applying castor oil every night for continuously 15 days. This is what it looks like without any product. You can clearly see I have applied nothing to my lashes, not even this oil. It is absolutely bare. This is the results after 15 days, but trust me, you need to be regular with this. If you skip it in between, you won't see good results.
Now let's move on to what you guys have been waiting on. Now let's see the before and after results.
So this is what my before and after lashes look like. You can barely see my lashes in my before video, but you can see how long it looks in my after videos, and other than being long, it just looks so healthy. And if I apply mascara, it makes it look even more longer, and I just love the results. So I would surely recommend you to do this method if you want to grow your lashes.
So this is what my before and after lashes look like. You can clearly see a major difference. So that is it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.